Welcome to Curie Electronics. This is the second lecture on clamper circuit. Today we are discussing about positive clamper. What is a positive clamper? What is a positive clamper? So what is a clamper? The circuit which shifts the DC level of a signal to the desired level is known as clamper. Clamper is also known as DC restorer or level shifter. Now we'll see what is a positive clamper. What is a positive clamper and how it works? Positive clamper. A clamper circuit will have a capacitor and one diode and one load resistor, that is RL, and we will apply the input here. And the condition for the clamper circuit is RL, that is discharging time. Discharging time should be much greater than the charging time. Now this is a clamper circuit. By looking at it, we can identify whether it is a positive clamper or negative clamper. If diode is pointing away from away from ground, then it is positive clamper. If it is towards ground, if diode direction is towards ground, then it is negative clamper. So this is a clamper circuit, and we will assume that our input signal is like this, a square wave. We can take sine wave also. This is minus V and this is V. Now what happens when input is negative? Input wave is negative. Input waveform input is negative. So we will redraw the circuit. When negative is there, this diode conducts. So we can replace this diode by a short circuit. That is, we have a capacitor. And one load resistor is there. RL is there. And then this is C. So here, when the waveform is negative, here what happens? This terminal is going to be negative terminal and this is going to be positive terminal. Now the diode conducts. So this is an ideal, I am considering an ideal diode, so it becomes short. Now by this circuit, the current flows like this, from positive, current flows like this. Here I am going to apply the Kirchhoff law. This plus and minus, this is equivalent to it is just similar to a battery. So this is the minus terminal and the plus terminal of the battery. So now I will apply the Kirchhoff law. So when I apply the Kirchhoff law, we can get this is the V, input voltage V. So here we will get VC, and this is here we will get this the plus and minus. This plus and minus is connected to multimeter. Okay, this is our V out. This is our V out. So circuit V out. Now when a negative pulse is applied, what happens? We can write the Kirchhoff law. Minus V plus Vc equals 0. So what we will get? Vc equal to V we will get. That is capacitor voltage equal to input voltage. Here, see, when the diode is ideal diode and when it is a short, this is equivalent as it doesn't exist here because no current flows there. So our output equal to 0 and V out equal to, we get the output voltage V out, V out, V out equal to, we will get V out equal to 0 volt. 0 volt because we are measuring between the same points. This point we are measuring from here, capacitor positive connected, here capacitor negative is connected, because at these 2 points potential is same, so we'll get the output voltage as 0. Now what happens when the positive pulse comes to the circuit? Positive part, that is this part, positive part comes to the circuit. So now already this capacitor, now I'll draw it. We have a capacitor, then diode becomes open circuited because it doesn't conduct when the positive comes, and we have here RL. We have this terminal is okay. Then we are applying V. How V is connected? You are applying V here. How the V is connected? Now plus is coming here. Now this terminal is plus, this terminal is minus. And before our capacitor has charged, this has become plus. Already this capacitor is charged plus and minus, and the voltage across the capacitor is V. This is the previous negative half cycle of the signal. It has charged to V. Now we have to find what is the V out. Now we have to find what is V out. Now I am going to apply the Kirchhoff law here. So this is equivalent to a battery connected like this, plus minus. Now I will apply, my current direction is like this to the load. Now apply the Kirchhoff law. So minus V, that is the previous capacitor voltage, this V is, plus V out equal to 0. Now what is my V out? V out equal to 2V. V out equal to 2V. So now how the pulse, we'll just draw and see the waveform, how the waveforms are related. So my input waveform is my input waveform. Input waveform, it was like this. No, it was my input waveform was like this: negative, positive. Input waveform. Now how is my output waveform? Output waveform has shifted 2 times during the 2 times. So my output waveform comes during the negative half cycle of the waveform becomes 0. During the negative half cycle it was 0. Then from there it has gone to 2V. It's gone to 2V. So this is the working of a positive clamper circuit. So friends, thanks for watching. Please share the video, and if you have any doubt, please ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.